guys, so welcome back to my channel. I'm Bubbly. Today I'm so excited about this video. Today I basically want to put up one video each day. Sorry, one video each day. I'm trying to think of a lot of ideas which is like running in my mind, and I want to implement it, right? So today has been a very special, it just clicked as what I wanted to do. Here you go. So the video is about jewelry that I made. So here you go. This is the jewelry that I made. This is a crunchy earring, ring that I made. So let me show it to you even closer. And this is the earring that I made, guys. So this is really pretty. It is just like how we make crunchies. So that is the idea that I made. So and I made a couple of other earrings too. So let me wear it and show it to you as how they look. I just finished making them, and I will. So this is the next one. Hope you're able to see it. It has a festive look. It has got pearls and stones, and I don't know if you're able to see it. Pearls and stones, and it is so pretty. Let me wear that too. Yeah. So this is what it is. I hope it's nice. This is another one, and another one that I made is of Kundan earring, and this is also very pretty, guys. I believe it will go really well with saris and salwars for festive or for any function or anything that you're going. You really need to get jazzed up, and you can really wear these. So this is another one. So these are the three earrings, set of earrings that I made today. I believe they are really pretty. Can you see is how they glitter? It's really glittering, and even this, it's so pearly. I love pearl things. They're very pretty, isn't it? Pearl, I think pearl and diamonds are the best friends of a woman for me. So I'm going to show you as how I made this. This took me nearly about 10 minutes to make all the three together. I believe you can even change colors for this, and you can have so many different colors of these kind of rings, Kundan rings, and they're very pretty, guys, and they're very unique also. I don't think I've seen these kind of earrings anywhere, so this is going to be really unique. So without any further delay, let's get to the video. hope you like the video of the DIY of the earrings that I made, this pretty earrings that I made. So let me know, leave in the comment section as if you have tried them, and how did it come out. I would love to hear from you, and I would please request you to keep subscribing to my channel and coming back for more videos, so that it gives me inspiration and also motivates me to make videos, right? So I'll meet you in another interesting video. Until then, bye. Stay beautiful.